Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Horrorfield online. This thrilling game pits 4 survivors against one powerful maniac in a desperate struggle for survival. As a survivor, your primary objective is to escape the map by repairing generators and opening exit gates. Conversely, if you choose to play as the maniac, your mission is to track, capture, and eliminate every single survivor before they can flee. Understanding these core roles is your first step to mastering the game. When playing as a survivor, teamwork is absolutely crucial. Your main task is to repair 5 generators located throughout the map. Each generator requires a specific amount of time to fix, so coordinate with your 3 teammates. If a teammate is caught, you can attempt a daring rescue. Remember to use your items wisely. A well-timed medkit or toolbox can make all the difference between escaping and being caught by the maniac. Playing as the maniac offers a completely different experience. Your objective is to hunt down and eliminate all 4 survivors. Patrol the generators to stop repairs and use your character's special abilities, such as traps or speed boosts, to gain an advantage. Once you've downed a survivor, pick them up and carry them to one of the designated sacrifice points. Successfully sacrificing all 4 survivors secures your victory in the match. To truly excel in Horrorfield, delve deeper into character knowledge. Each of the many survivors and maniacs possesses distinct perks and abilities that can drastically alter gameplay. Understanding these will give you a significant edge. Also, take time to learn the various map layouts. Knowing escape routes or patrol paths is invaluable. Finally, try playing both roles. This will help you anticipate your opponent's next move, whether you are hunting or being hunted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.